Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Albert Biermann, Executive Vice President and Head of Vehicle Test and High Performance Development of Hyundai Motor Company.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In September last year, we introduced Hyundai N, our vision to bring high-performance driving to the mass market. Hyundai N strives to achieve a strong and emotional high-performance car that everybody could enjoy with ease. N concept RN30 was born as a racing machine, exclusively for racetracks with expertise of Hyundai Motorsport. A range of technologies was installed to maximize the engagement and the ease of control for the driver. It truly embodies our vision for Hyundai N. RN30, based on the new i30, is equipped with a powertrain of our advanced development project based on a high-performance 2-liter turbo engine. This unit is being developed by Hyundai for N production models, though it boasts upgraded performance, 380 horsepower and a maximum torque of 46 kg/m. In our advanced development prototype, the engine is mated to a specially designed quick-shifting wet-type dual-clutch transmission with a very nice rev matching feature. To optimize the transfer of power and to enhance driving stability during hard cornering, this powertrain is equipped with all-wheel drive and ELSD, which electronically controls power deployment and the driving dynamics. As well as being a race car that everybody could drive, this is a car where the thrill of the race could be shared, thanks to cameras inside and out. Today, we are proud to present our RN30 concept. Soon, this car's DNA will flow into the forthcoming i30N model, making our passion